Okay, so start by downloading the Bluelink app on your App Store or Google Play. And you're looking for Hyundai Bluelink Europe. When it's downloaded, you can open it. And create account. You then just need to enter in your details, so your email, first name and last name. Choose which country you're in. Create a password. So your password must be between 8 and 20 characters and include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one digit, and one special character. Once this is entered, you can accept the terms of use and click register. Hyundai will then send your email that you registered with a 4-digit verification code. And once you receive the code, you can then enter it and click verify and allow. You'll then need to verify your mobile number, so start by your country's code, which for Ireland is +353. Enter your mobile number. And you'll then enter the CAPTCHA code below it. And click verify. Hyundai will then send your mobile number that you use to register a 6-digit verification code. Once received, enter it, confirm and proceed. And lastly, you'll just need to enter or create a PIN and repeat it and click confirm and proceed. And that's your Bluelink account set up. And then to add your vehicle to your Bluelink account, click on add vehicle, agree to the terms of use next to the privacy notice, and then you'll scan your QR code on your digital display in your car. Hyundai will then send you a 6-digit verification code. This shouldn't take too long to come through to your phone. Then enter the verification code and add vehicle. Click on the Tucson on your vehicle and use vehicle. And now your Bluelink is all set up.